Now I know what you're all thinking, have CR started selling property abroad? And the answer is no. I am here today at Victory Pier in Gillingham at this array of Berkeley Homes apartments, and I have a cracking property to show you. Follow me. For your convenience, you have a Tesco Express, a Costa Coffee and a Lidl and Asda nearby. You also have the Dockside Outlet Centre, which is a short distance, with a number of restaurants. The local station is Gillingham, and it's a 17-minute walk, a 7-minute cycle or a 3-minute drive. And here we have the open plan living accommodation with a lounge area with a window overlooking the views, and then we have a fitted kitchen with integrated appliances such as fridge, freezer, dishwasher, oven and hob. Here we have the bedroom, and it offers a light, bright and spacious feel. You have the added bonus of a fitted wardrobe, and just take a look at these views. Now for me, this is the ultimate priceless aspect of this property, the views from this balcony. Now the views are just breathtaking. Part of the appeal of this property is sitting and enjoying the sunrise. It just becomes part of your lifestyle. With this apartment, you have use of the communal gym with an array of equipment and the communal lounges. The communal areas of this property are on par with those of a hotel. It's just gorgeous. It also offers secure parking with access via a secure door. So there's no need to go abroad for your sun, sea and sangria. Okay, maybe the River Medway. But if you'd like to view this property, give me a call on the number below and I'll get your viewing arranged.